This came in from Tops Archery. 52-inch takedown recurve bow. Box came in pretty mangled and destroyed. I don't know. So far, not so good. I mean, it's missing the this piece here. I forget what it actually is called. The string riser, the string rest. It's missing that. All right, so this is the Tops Archery 52-inch takedown recurve bow that I just got in the mail, like literally today. And the string holder, this piece here on this limb was completely broken. It was not even on the bow. At first I thought it was an issue, like it was broken and then shipped here like that, but I eventually found that piece. I think it was just through the shipping process because that box was so damaged that this piece came off. So anyway, I found that little piece and I put some E6000 on it. We're just waiting for it to dry, and we'll see if we can take this out to shoot. All right, so far, Tops Archery, 45 pounds at 28 inches. All right, it's been 24 hours since I glued up the string bridge with the E6000. Came in broken, so attached it with some epoxy and we're gonna put her together and see how she does. It's a little raining out, so we won't be able to shoot it, but at least I'll get to string it up and see what's up with it. 52-inch, 45-pound recurve bow, traditional recurve bow from Tops Archery. Now, I'm not sure if that's quality control, how it came in that way, or it was just shipping because the box was pretty damaged. I'm not going to put anything on Tops Archery just yet. We'll see if the one that didn't breaks off while I'm shooting. If this one breaks off, then it's a quality control issue, and that's probably what happened in the box. But if it doesn't break off and everything works good, it was probably damaged through shipping, and hopefully the epoxy got it fixed. All right, let's get this stringed up. There you go. You have a solid lockup. All right. Very nice bow. I guess if that is the case, I'll have to reserve this string. Okay, there we go. But there's no twisting, and there's no way for this to twist because of the way the key has a U cut in it. So I'm assuming that it marries into the handle, and that is why you get that. So now, this is a 52-inch traditional Asiatic bow. They call it a horse bow. Got a pretty decent brace height. Yeah, so far so good. That's where we're at with it. Really do like it. I just hope that the string bridge here will hold up, and the stock one here will hold up as well. There is a little bit of a dent in this. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if that's from manufacturing or what, but yeah, there's a little dent there. Overall though, beautiful bow. Really have nothing bad to say about it until I take a couple of shots. But as it sits here, again, I'm gonna chuck this up to shipping because the pictures of the boxes is just totally destroyed. Other than that, we will get the draw. Oh, let's do the draw weight here. We can do that right now. This one should be marked arrow. Yep. So this arrow to the right before the tip, that is exactly 28 inches. So it's supposed to be a 45 at 28. Let's see about. We're set at 0. Okay. We're actually at 46 pounds at 28 inches. So let's try that again. Reset to 0. Okay. Consistent, 46 pounds. So we have a 46-pound bow at 28 inches. All right. Well, when it clears up, we'll take it out, take some test shots. All right, guys, so the sun is out. We have a chance to come out here real quick in between the rain to test out this 52-inch takedown traditional recurve bow that I purchased from Tops Archery. I did have to do a minor repair here on the string bridge. Seems to be holding up all right. We didn't take any shots yet, but we're going to. I also put on a string knock here and got this ready for shooting. And we also bought some new arrows from Tops Archery. These are their 30-inch, 31-inch carbon arrows that look like bamboo. So go ahead, let's take a couple of shots. This is the maiden shots of the 45-pound Top Archery's takedown recurve bow. Traditional takedown recurve bow. And again, we are standing pretty close because I'm still learning the Asiatic thunder. Traditional recurve bow. 45 pounds and 28 inches. Very well fit. Tops Archery. There you go, you can see it. Can't complain so far. This bow, awesome. We'll get this guy tricked out for some archery, some field archery. I think I put in a string silencer to quiet it down a little bit. Camel paint, camel sticker on the outside. See if we can drop some big hooks in this. Alright. that, but for the most part, this is interesting. That's the misses. And the backstop works. Perfect, man.